Good morning, class 8. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the 8th video of the chapter Sound. Okay. In last video, we have seen the structure of human ear and we have seen how do we hear. So today I am going to discuss some topics. See there. One is audible sound. What is audible? Means sound that can be heard by us and can be perceived. समझ में आना. That is called audible sound. Means not all the sound of different frequency can be heard by us. So the sound wave whose frequency is between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, this is called audible. Means if the frequency of vibrating body is minimum 20 hertz and maximum 20,000 hertz, then that sound can be heard by us. The sound wave which is more than 20,000 hertz are called ultrasonic sound, and below 20 hertz is called infrasonic sound. Means sound wave which is between 20 hertz, means whose frequency is between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, can be heard and perceived by human ear. Such sound is called audible sound. Okay, see here. The sound wave whose frequency is between 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz is called audible, because these sound waves can be heard and perceived by human ear. So the sound wave between 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz is called audible sound, and the sound wave which is below 20 hertz and above 20,000 hertz is inaudible, means such sound cannot be heard by us. So you know what is inaudible sound? Sound wave whose frequency is below 20,000 hertz and above 20,000 hertz is called inaudible sound. Infrasonic sound. Sound waves of frequency lower than 20 hertz is called infrasonic sound. This type of sound is produced by whales, elephant, etc. produces infrasonic sound. Next is ultrasonic sound. Sound waves of frequency higher than 20,000 1000 hertz is called ultrasonic sound. Bats, dolphins, etc. produces ultrasonic sound. Okay, so infrasonic and ultrasonic sounds are inaudible to human ear. So the next topic is noise. What is noise? Unwanted, unpleasant and very loud sound produced is called noise. What is noise? Unwanted, unpleasant and very loud sound is called noise. It is produced by irregular vibrations. Next is music. Melodious sound that creates a pleasant effect to our ears and mind is called music. You know what is music? Melodious sound that create a pleasant effect in ear and mind is called music. It is produced by regular vibration. Next topic is noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Disturbance or discomfort produced in the environment by very loud and harsh sound is called noise pollution. Okay, means disturbance or discomfort that is produced in the environment due to very loud and harsh voice is called noise pollution. A sound of 90 decibel and above heard मतलब सुना जाना, heard for long time cause the noise pollution.